Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this used SEAT Tarraco finished in the modern green paintwork. This 2024 model comes with a 2-litre diesel engine with 150 PS and automatic transmission, ideal for those wanting to cover extra miles. The top features include the striking LED headlights paired with dynamic rear indicators for great visibility, stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, black roof rails for secure road trips, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek Tarraco badging at the rear, and this is all topped off with rear parking sensors for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside a spacious 700-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or a weekend road trip. From here, you can pull up 2 additional rear seats with cup holders, turning this SUV into a 7-seater. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full cloth trim for that comfortable look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders, as fixed points for secure child seats, and a rear climate control with a USB-C charging port. The front houses the multifunctional flat-bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and front full cloth seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data and audio and telephone connection. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection. From here, you can also find connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access Driver Profile, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for eco, sport, or for any other preferred driving style. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs. This is alongside the central console that features a phone box with 2 USB-C charging ports, a gear shifter, 2 hidden cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.